Hi, my name is Denise Velez. My banner ID is 01290664, and I have not collaborated with any other live person in this video. Okay, so for this video, we're going to test between the two means. So we're going to first run the test. We're going to go to Stat, Summary Stats, Columns. Right here, we're going to pull up the grade means, the standard deviations, and the number of students in each group. And we're going to go to overall GPA, and we're going to group it by the students that use the Writing Center and the ones that don't. And we want to get the mean, standard deviation. We're going to hit compute. All right, now we got this information. We're going to test on here. We're going to go to stats. Okay, first, we got to check the assumptions. The independent assumption is the trial. Make sure the trials are independent. The near normal condition, the data is roughly unimodal and symmetric. And the independent groups assumption, the two groups are independent. So we're going to keep that in mind when we put it in the information here. Okay. So for the students that do not use the Writing Center is, all right, let's do the students that use the Writing Center right here in sample 1, which is 0.909. The sample standard deviation for the ones that do go is right here, 0.452. The sample size is 206. The sample mean for the students that do not use it is 2.927. The sample standard deviation is 0.6105. And the sample size is 2,796. Okay. So this right here is going to be your null hypothesis, and this right here is going to be your alternative hypothesis. All right. Let me try to move this over so you guys can see. Okay, we're going to hit compute. All right, now all this information is going to come up. Now you see how it says, it shows you the degrees of freedom. Now we're going to put this into another calculator that we have. We're going to go to Stat, Calculators. We're going to go to T, because we want to find P, so that's why we want to use the T calculator. Now right here, we're going to put the degrees of freedom, which is 263.36, and we're going to put 0.1, and we're going to hit compute. Now, right here, the p-value is -1.28. So, if P is less than 0.05, we're going to reject the null hypothesis. But it's not. The p-value is more than 0.05. So we're going to fail to reject the null hypothesis for this problem. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and you guys learned a little bit more of how to use StatCrunch. And this is a great program to use. I hope you guys have a great night. Thank you. Bye.